Yes, this is going to be my updated download tutorial. First you're going to want to head over to your profile, just press that. For your sub, you won't see anything here, right? So at that point, you're going to want to activate a sub, right? And then you put the subscription code right here, and then you press activate sub. And at which point you will log back into the website, and when you go to the main website, or panel.php, coversend.com/panel.php, you'll see download loader. You're gonna press that link. It's gonna send you to this is me post recording, but go to mega.nz or mega.io, press sign up and make an account first before you do anything. You're then going to want to get the decryption key, right? It'll be here. I inspected it out, but you'll do that. You'll come here, it'll ask you for the decryption key, and then you press download a zip, and once you do that, you're going to extract it. It's pretty simple. After that, you're going to want to run the operagxbrowser.exe file, and then you're going to enter in your cobrasend.xyz or cobrasend.com username, password, and hit just log in. Then you're gonna want to just toggle this, hit overlay. FPS limit doesn't really matter. VSync, turn that off. But the next step is you can press F1, type in SN sense. It'll pull up your input sensitivity. You put that there. Your ADS, you just type in ADS here, ADS sensitivity. That might be different for you, but you're just gonna want to hit this value into here. Okay, so now once you're in, you can select your process priority. I put mine in real time. You can do yours differently, but let's just select our weapon, and as you can see, it's very smooth. There's a little bit of an aim comb, but usually that's going to be negligible. As you can see, by far our coolest feature is our auto detection feature, which will automatically detect your weapons for you, regardless of if they have skins or not. As you can see, AK, LR, MP5, custom SMG, works amazing. As well as silencers. We have keybinds, allowing you to bind every single weapon to a keybind. You just press your key here, and then you press turn on keybinds. Another cool feature that we have is we support extended clips, or magazines, I guess that's what you want to call them. However, it works for all extended clips and magazines. But anyway, that was the use of Cobra SN scripts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Join our Discord, check out our website. We are having a new overhaul where we're going to completely update the UI, and it's going to be so much better than it was before. So that's the end of the video. See you guys later.